When that song, when they come out with that song, that's about the time she got sick, I think, and my mom let her listen to it, and ever since then she listens to the song.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Dude, give me one. No, that's hers. That's hers.
Hey, Kobe's her older brother. Yeah, how's he been? Does he understand what's going on or not?
You want your gun?
She has cancer, and he wants to go there.
You want your
For
gun?
treatments, but he has to go to school.
There you go.
He's gonna get to go.
Pop that rascal in your mouth.
No, the treatment's being done at Texas Children's.
Hum, hum, hum.
And she is how old?
She is
Hot?
Anything like this run in your family that you've heard of before? Or?
no.
Really?
Yeah. I've been in here before.
Made us open our eyes.
I had to. There's a little baby sitting there.
Kobe, you play any sports?
Basketball.
You like basketball?
Quit. Last game, I didn't play it.
You have to wait till next year.
They all playing football next year.
That's the moment.
Sing, you guys. Sing. Tennis.
Something where I get to run around and hit a ball.
What? Then I was playing baseball.
Carson, how's dance going? Huh?
Get over.
Cadence, do you like to dance?
I do.
Like to dance?
They do stuff.
What was the other song she liked? It was, and we have Lindsay, who is mom with us right now as well. And Lindsay,
Where's your mom?
Sit up to the front of the microphone there.
Where's your mom?
And
Oh,
first of all, thank you so much for sharing your time with us and
There's
sharing
Mom.
your family with us this morning. First of all, where are you from? In Hudson area, okay. And kind of give us the overview of the story of Cadence and the battle that she's going through right now.
Last July, we noticed she had bruises all up and down her legs.
Mom
her
has
back.
bruises
And we took her to Dr. Fadone's office, and he did blood work, and
Me?
her white blood cell count was really, really, really high. So they took us to Memorial Hospital to confirm it, and then they sent us to Texas Children's Hospital that night.
So this is all during the course of one day.
Yes, sir.
Wow, okay.
That evening.
So first of all, this is like a whirlwind to you. By the way, this is the Kicks 105 St. Jude Radiothon. And the number to call to become a partner in Hope is 1-800-345-4673. We're proving to you that, yes, indeed, your donation helps kids all across the region, all across the place as well. But once again, so here you have your world kind of turned upside down. Because
Nothing else?
tell you, okay,
No,
you need to
I don't
do some more
say a
stuff.
lot.
Say bye-bye.
Color, just color.
And so we're almost, you're done with this now?
Don't play it with it on me.
Yeah, she's kind of running around chewing gum and
Put it on you. What are you doing?
how has her reaction been? Does she understand at 3 years of age all that is happening to her, that she actually has a disease called cancer or not? And what's her reaction?
My mom was crying.
She's got a portacath, and
Huh?
they give her treatment,
Right.
and she shows everybody that, and she,
Just
No,
Can I have that gum?
Right.